Good morning, guys. SCM Profiset 60, throughfeed moulder. Thanks to SCM Group UK, we had the chance to explain all technical features of this machine. All controls are placed on the machine front at suitable height for easy use. The operator easily manages every working operation due to all controls at your fingertips. Infeed table and right fence adjustable for a correct position in a few steps. 2500 mm maximum length of the infeed table as an option. Automatic work table lubrication offer always the best movement of the workpiece. SCM Profiset 60 automatic planer and moulder available in 4 compositions, up to 6 spindle and a kit for enabling profiling with the top spindle as an option. As we can see, we have installed a digital mechanical readout for each group. Thanks to a simple tool, we can set up each group in a correct position in a short time. The feed rollers are permanently adjustable, and the first feed roller can be positioned simple from the operator place, where the pressure gauge are also located. Supplementary steel and rubber feed roller are available in a different thickness, from 5 to 25 meters per minute, feed speed variable by inverter. Here we are, guys. Thanks to SCM Group UK, here in Nottingham showroom, we have the opportunity to perform a demonstration on SCM Profiset 60 automatic planer and moulder machine. The setup is simple and easy. Just in few steps we can achieve the right size for the timber. We close the protection door for safety, select the switch in automatic mode, and we can turn on the motor for each group. We select the speed and we are ready to work our first piece. The speed must be chosen based on the material you want to work with. In this step we remove 3 mm for each side of the piece. As you can see, the finishing is excellent. Ordinary maintenance always offers excellent result, safety and long life for the machinery. From 25 mm up to 230 mm working width, and from 6 mm up to 120 mm working height, SCM Profiset 60 automatic throughfeed moulder is the solution to all production need in a small footprint at limited cost. SCM Profiset 60, the best solution for every application. The beam, which supports the feed system, is made of a tubular ribbon structure and is provided with manual vertical movement or automatic movement by Easy Plus 7-inch LCD display that control up to 5 axes. Feed rollers are driven by universal joints and gearbox drive by an inverter from 5 to 25 meters per minute. Motorized roller placed on the outfeed table improves the feed system. Independent automatic start-delta starts for each motor with a brake. All of these features translate into immediate improvement in productivity and guarantee the capability of the full potential of the machine. SCM Profiset 60, technology and solution for joiners, windows, door and timber building. Well, guys, now we show how easy it is to replace the cutter block on the SCM Profiset 60 using the standard system. Removing the protection hood by releasing 2 knobs, we have a complete access to the cutter block. The motor brake is released turning a simple switch, and with the key provided into the toolbox, we can unlock the screw. Keeping in mind that SCM also offers the T-set rapid tool locking system to lock and unlock all tools simply through an air gun as an option. In just a few minutes we can replace all the tools of the Profiset 60. SCM Profiset 60, the best solution for every application. I want to say thanks to SCM Group UK providing all machines here in Nottinghamshire room, and for more information don't hesitate to contact us.